G'day guys, Greg here. Now, the other day I went to a mate's place and he cooked up this really awesome baked salmon dish, and well, I knew right then and there I had to share it with you. So today I'm going to make this baked salmon dish. It's really easy and it tastes so good. Let me show you what I'm using. So for this, all I'm using is, I've got some beans topped and tailed. I've got some feta cheese here, some Kalamata olives, Aussie grown of course, cherry tomatoes. I got a nice piece of salmon, lemon, anchovies. I got some basil and some salt and pepper. So there's nothing here that's too extraordinary. Anyway, let's start throwing this together. Well, first of all, let's preheat the oven, 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 400 Fahrenheit. Now grab yourself a bowl. We're going to make a bit of a mix of things here. So into there, just grab some of these olives. I got the pitted ones, of course. No seeds in this one. And next, some cherry tomatoes. You just halve those. Chuck them in the bowl. Now I'm only making one of these today, so if you're going to make two of them, I'll probably use a whole punnet of the tomatoes, but I'll just use about half of them. That'll do. Now I got some Aussie feta here. Love my Aussie feta. So we'll crumble that up. Just break it into little bits. Now anchovies. Grab yourself one of them if you can get it out of the jar. Now if you're going to make this for more people, just double it or triple it or quadruple this. I'll just cut that up roughly and chuck that in. Now if you've got some fresh basil, chuck some of that in. But I'll just use, I don't know, about a little spoon's worth. Let's just add a little bit of flavour. We'll throw some olive oil in here too. Make it nice and sticky. And we just mix this all together. Alright, that's done. And now, with a piece of salmon, we'll grab that. I've got some lemon here. And I want to squeeze, I've washed this by the way, washed and dried it. And I want to squeeze some lemon over it on both sides. And we'll crack some pepper and add some salt. We'll do that for both sides. I got the one with the skin on, but you don't need to have the skin on. You can get the skin off and you can use the bigger piece too. I just went the tail piece because that's my preferred piece. Alright, let's start putting this in the tray. So I just got myself an oven tray here. And so there's not too much mess, I'll just line that with some baking paper. And now we grab the beans and we're just going to make a bed to put all this stuff on. Now by putting the beans down first, they'll come out a little bit crunchy, so if you want them a little bit softer, you might want to steam them or blanch them just for a few minutes before you add them onto the tray. And now, you just spoon or fork these ingredients over here. Make it nice and neat and tidy. And just place the salmon on top. Might even pour the rest of this olive oil over. Might add some more olive oil actually. And when your oven's preheated, this just goes straight into the oven. Now depending on how many salmon pieces you're cooking and how thick they are will depend on how long it takes to cook. For that little piece there, well generally I like to cook it about the 20-minute mark. So Leave it about 20 minutes. If you got more, say 25 minutes. But yeah, just suss it out. Maybe pull it out after 20 and get your knife in and open it up and see if it's cooked all the way through inside. All right, well that's been 20 minutes. So let's suss this out. Oh yeah. How good's that look? So let's just see if this is cooked all the way through. Yep, looks like it has. You ripper. Now there are some juices here, so if you maybe wanted to cook some mashed potato as well, or some rice, that'd be awesome for soaking these up. But hey, this is a meal for one for me, easy. So we'll slide that over. And just a matter of picking it up and transferring it over. I mean, just take a look at that. How good does it look and how easy was it to make? Oh man. Anyway, I can't wait to try some of this. Oh, yes. The salmon. So good. Mixed in with these veggies. Delicious, man. Well, there you go. A really simple and easy baked salmon dinner. How easy was it? So easy and tastes so good. Anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, remember subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something amazing. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg.